Hey, I'm Andrew, founder of ProTouch Cleaners here in the Treasure Valley. I started this company back in 2015 because I believed Boise families deserved a cleaning service that actually showed up, did the job right, and treated your home like it mattered. And I hear the same thing all the time from people who find us. Their last cleaner was fine until they weren't. Rescheduling last minute, missing the same spots every week, just inconsistent. That's exactly what we built ProTouch to fix. We invest in technology that captures every detail about your home, your preferences, your priorities, the things that matter most to you. So whether it's your regular cleaner or someone covering for them, they walk in already knowing your home. Same standard every time. And right now, we're making it easy to start. New recurring clients get a full deep clean upgrade on their first visit for free. We call it the Clean Start Plan. You start with a spotless deep clean, then we keep it that way. Fill out the short form on this page and we'll reach out within a few hours to get you scheduled. We've been taking care of Treasure Valley homes for over 10 years, and more than 200 families trust us to clean their homes on a regular basis. We'd love to take care of yours. Fill out the form below and let's get started.